Hola amigos, I'm Mr. Briggs. Mi nombre es Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Today's video is entitled Keep in Touch in Spanish. So if you want to learn how to say to someone, hey, keep in touch with me, make sure you watch till the end. I got some listening exercising for you. But before that, click that red button. Yes, that one that reads subscribe. And subscribe to my channel. It's free and I upload videos daily. So every day for a few minutes, you can revise and learn more Spanish with me. Okay, let's commence. Keep in touch in Spanish is mantente en contacto. Mantente en contacto. Mantente en contacto. Practice. Mantente en contacto. Let's see another example. Veamos otro ejemplo. If you want to say it was a pleasure meeting you, keep in touch, then you would say fue un gusto conocerte. Mantente en contacto. I'll say it very slowly. Fue un gusto. It was a pleasure. Fue un gusto conocerte. To have met you, to have known you. Mantente en contacto. Keep in touch. Mantente means keep. Okay, veamos otro ejemplo. Another example. Don't forget, keep in touch. Que no se te olvide. Mantente en contacto. Que no se te olvide. Mantente en contacto. Don't forget, keep in touch. Que no se te olvide. Mantente en contacto. Now, if you wanted to say keep in touch from time to time, you would say mantente en contacto de vez en cuando. That means from time to time. De vez en cuando. Mantente en contacto de vez en cuando. Otro ejemplo, another example. If you want to say keep in touch with your family, you would say mantente en contacto con tu familia. Con means with. To your familia, family. Mantente en contacto con tu familia. Otro ejemplo, another example. Keep in touch, I'll let you know. Te aviso. Mantente en contacto. Te aviso means I'll let you know. Mantente en contacto, as you already know by now, that means keep in touch. Otro ejemplo. You just met someone and you want to keep in touch, you could say, keep in touch, we have to go for a coffee. Mantente en contacto. Tenemos que ir a tomar café. Mantente en contacto. Tenemos que ir a tomar café. Okay, let's revise this. Keep in touch in Spanish is mantente, which means keep, and in contacto, touch, in contact. Mantente en contacto. That's right. In Spanish, you say keep in contact. Mantente, keep, mantente en contacto. Okay, amigos. Now a little exercise for you to practice your listening skills. Suscríbete, mantente en contacto para aprender español. Suscríbete a mi canal. Mantente en contacto conmigo para que aprendas español más rápido. Deja un comentario. Mantente en contacto conmigo. Escribe un comentario. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about these daily videos that I've been uploading recently. Do you like them? Do you want me to continue uploading? I'm reading all your comments and I will be tailoring and adjusting the videos according to your suggestions. Thank you so much. Please take care and I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana.